Anyone who has struggled with old gasket material knows how time-consuming and frustrating the job can be. This professional-grade gasket scraper is designed to turn that difficult task into a smooth and efficient process. From the moment you put it to work, it delivers controlled scraping power that removes stubborn gasket residue from steel and aluminum heads and manifolds with far less effort than traditional tools. The scraper is engineered to tackle more than just gaskets. It is highly effective at removing carbon buildup, surface rust, and baked-on residue that commonly accumulate on engine components over time. This makes it a versatile addition to any workshop, whether you are performing engine repairs, maintenance, or restoration work. It can also be used to clean disc brake caliper slides, adding even more practical value for automotive professionals and serious DIY mechanics. At the core of its performance are tungsten carbide tips that are brazed directly to a steel blade. This construction provides exceptional durability and long-lasting sharpness, allowing the tool to maintain consistent performance even under heavy use. The blade is molded into a comfortable 6-inch handle that offers a secure grip and precise control, helping reduce hand fatigue during extended jobs. Designed for accuracy as well as strength, the scraper allows you to remove residue efficiently without excessive force. This level of control is especially important when working on aluminum surfaces, where precision matters. Users often note how much faster and cleaner the job becomes once they switch to this type of scraper, saving both time and effort on every project. If you regularly work on engines or automotive components and want a tool that truly improves your workflow, this gasket scraper is a smart upgrade. Click the product link in the video description to learn more and see why so many professionals consider it a game changer. Subscribe to the channel for more reliable tools, honest reviews, and practical solutions for automotive work.